While it's normal to feel so after exercise, persistent soreness is a red flag. It means your muscles haven't recovered from past workouts. Pay attention to extreme exhaustion. If you feel spent, let your body rest. Here are some pictures showing fatigue. Muscle or joint pain that doesn't go away might be a sign of an overuse injury. When you're physically burnt out, hormones like serotonin and cortisol become imbalanced. This can cause changes like irritability, crankiness, and mood swings. High levels of cortisol and adrenaline can make it hard to get quality sleep. If your normal routine feels difficult, or if you stop seeing progress, take a rest day. Well, that's all for today. Feel free to share your views in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.